Hello dear students, let us come back to our English Literature class part 3. Children, are you all enjoying the class? I hope you enjoy it, doing the works and all in time. So, whatever it is, let us come back to the next paragraph. I shall read it. One day, the queen came out into the garden with her baby, and what did she see? Some swans came flying over her. At their head flew her father, singing. So the meaning of this, one day the queen and her baby, they came out from the palace to the garden. When they were in the garden, what did she see? She saw some swans were flying over her. In that swans, her father also was there. And by seeing the queen, the father started singing. Let us see what the father was singing. In this garden, my daughter I see, though she has no wings, yet a swan is she. Her fingers are covered with golden rings. To her little son a song she sings. From a little gold book she reads him a tale. A pair of white wings to her I will throw, and she will leave her son, and with us she will go. So let us see what is the meaning of this. So the father started singing. What he started singing? In this garden, I see my daughter. Even though she has no wings, she is a swan. I can understand. Her fingers are full of golden rings. And her little son, she sings songs, and she tells and reads a tale from a little gold book for her little son. And what the father thought, I will give her a pair of white wings and I will throw, and she will leave her son, and with us she will come. She doesn't have wings, that's why she is not able to turn into a maid. So what I am going to do, I am going to throw a pair of wings to her. When she receives the wings, she will turn into a swan, and she will come back with us. Come to the next paragraph. Tears poured from Queen's eyes, and she sang out in reply, do not throw me the wings, for you come too late. I won't leave my son to an orphan's fate. Just then the king came up to her. Why are your eyes red with weeping? Asked he. Our little son cried, and it made me cry too, the queen replied. So the meaning of this, when she heard the father singing, she cried and replied. What she replied? Do not throw, you don't throw the wings, because you are so late. And now I am a mother, and I am unable to leave my son as an orphan and to come to you. I won't come to you by leaving my son. While she was replying this in cry, the king came to her and asked, why are you crying? Why your eyes are so red? Then she replied, she said a lie, that our little son cried, so that made me to cry too. She did not tell anything about her father singing to the king. She said a lie, and she escaped from there, and they both went inside. That's for today. You read the chapter. Take care. Thank you.